Here is Parallel Live App Experience Fame, #1 Fame Experience Simulator. Pretty cool app. If you wanna become a famous influencer, either on TikTok, Instagram, that's the app you can try out. Experience the thrill of being a virtual celebrity with Parallel Live. Dive into the world of live streaming and engage with countless AI generated simulated viewers in real time, all from your smartphone. Parallel Live app delivers an incredibly lifelike and enjoyable experience, offering a glimpse into the world of online fame in a virtual setting. So interact with simulated viewers, step into the timeline of virtual fame by interacting with AI-created simulated viewers, get likes, comments, and messages from your virtual fans, build your popularity, ascend to virtual celebrity status in the Parallel Live community, use clever tactics, showcase your talents, and charm your simulated audience to grow a loyal fan base and boost your fame. Capture and share moments, record memorable scenes from your live streams using Parallel Live's recording feature, free and easy to use. Download this app for free and enjoy this user-friendly interface. However, I need to say, that if you wanted to experience even more fans and even more features, eventually, obviously, you'll need to upgrade in this app. And yeah, this is a simulation entertainment application. All simulated viewers are AI-generated characters and do not represent real people. Here's how it looks like, and yep. So if you were always dreaming like how it would look like if I had like 1 million followers on Instagram and I started to do like a live stream, or 1 million followers on TikTok, so this app can like boost your self-worth and like boost it, give you a little confidence, and you can just try it out. And like here it is. So then you see there is like a pro access, yearly is like $35, which gives you chat with 100,000 AI viewers, edit comments, unlock hater mode, add the verification badge, receive simulated live gifts and text to speech. So yep, basically, but here I'm just showing you the free version. So imagine this is your username. You can just enter your real username on TikTok or on Instagram, doesn't matter. This is everything here is fake. So you need to understand this is like a fake app, fake followers. But if you just start using it, it gives you kind of a simulation what would happen if you really were like influencer and famous. And then if you want to get verified, then yeah, you need to upgrade. Set the tone of audience during your session. So here you have like different 6 types of what can be your tone. It can be like hater, receive mean or rude comments, fans with hype you up, loyal fans, flirty, funny, or curious. You just set it up here. Also, the cool thing is that here you can just find out all these additional languages. You can also tap to record it in the bottom right. And then so for example, let's just set up hype and audience. You set it up. Your live session will have 500 people, increase the count and boost your fame. So if you want to have more viewers, you need to buy them for the coins, and coins itself, you need to buy them in coin shop. Unfortunately. So if you want to have like 400,000 viewers in your stream, then it's like what is 500 coins, and it's like around like $8 you will need to pay that. So it can be like just one-time purchase. So you can just purchase that and experience the stream with like 400,000 viewers. Then comments, what you wanna see here. So if you wanna customize a bit, custom comments, about or invisible buttons that can be activated during your live stream. By tapping each button represents a category of comments. So that's, you can also customize that. And gifts, AI gifting, if you want that your fans are sending you gifts, then you also need to upgrade. But let's just try with a very basic stream. So the basic free stream only gives you 5 real-time viewers of your live stream. So let's try it out. So I'm just starting it out. And here's imagine that I'm having the live stream, and then I just have basically all the people here just messaging me, and I can't. So this is how it looks like. So as you can see, that's the idea. All buttons there are not clickable, so you need to know that. Like it's just yep. So they are not clickable. You can't interact with your screen. You can't do any like set changes to your live stream. That's it. You can only record it, and then you can just share it on Snapchat or wherever what you're using. So that's basically what you have. So it's just like, you know, for you to record it and just have fun with it. So again, it's not like a real stream, but it's very well made app, and it's getting more features. It's being improved all the time. So yeah, pretty cool. And you know, if sometimes you have like low self confidence, this can be a nice app for you to try out how it might work out. Um, so yep, there it is. That's the app. Basically, you can use it for free. It's fun enough even when it's free. There were a bunch of other apps in this category. Like you have like Parallel Live, Fame Experience. Here, Famify. That's another one. That this one is also quite cool. And so that's basically two top ones. So Famify or Parallel Live, like two apps in this category. Um, and then yeah, you just have it here. Live, Famify, Holostar, and then there aren't that many apps in this category. So yep, there you have it. Basically, like these two apps. So yep, try it out. Pretty cool app, and record the video and share it on Snapchat, and then you can just prank your friends. It's a bit of pity that you can't get coins for free somehow here. It would be nice if you can just watch an ad and earn coins in this app, but it's not possible. You can only buy coins, and they're quite expensive. So like 20 coins are just $1. So I don't know what you know, if you want to grow your audience for 5,000 viewers, then you just need to buy those coins here. And then when you setting up your audience, you can see like viewer arrival time. So for example, yeah, like from 1 minute to 1 hour. If you set up 1 hour, it will take 1 hour for like for maximum of your users to arrive. Maybe if you upgrade, then you will have like smaller limits. So maybe that. And then how many of your available users will join. You can also set it up like just maximum, or you set up your number. So that's the app. Try it out.